Catalog number 12, Fürst Flori, a liver chestnut colt by Fürst Samarant, Florestan 1 and the thoroughbred Ambro. With Fürst Flori, a son of Fürst Samarant enters the virtual Westfälisches auction stage. Bred out of a dam by the star sire Florestan 1, all doors are open to this liver chestnut colt for a great future. His dam, State Premium Mare Fiorella, produced, among others, State Premium Mare Descara by Diatano, who was in the final ring of the Westphalian Elite Mare Show in 2011 and finished her performance test with an overall score of 8.51. It is the dam line of the licensed stallions Landmann by Leuchtfeuer and Mighty Smash by Mighty Magic. Also of many successful dressage and jumping horses.